It's day 3 in Nainital and it's such a beautiful day. It's raining since morning and it's completely foggy, as you can see. This is my favorite spot in the room. I just love to stand here and look at the view. So let's get started with the morning chores. When you take a deep breath in a place like this, you actually feel the clean air getting into your system, and it's such a great feeling. Before stepping out, I checked the weather and it says it's gonna rain the whole day and it's gonna be a gloomy weather today, but still, I just wanted to get ready and explore. Time for some vitamin C intake. So this I take every morning before I start my day empty stomach. So I'm quickly gonna get hydrated and take a bath and get ready. As I always say, explore in style. Here's a quick skincare and makeup routine. Never miss taking care of hair. I always make sure that I groom my hair perfectly, because if your hair is perfectly groomed, it can change the entire look and it complements your makeup, your look more than anything. This is my look for today and I'm all set to leave and explore. Never leave outside before smelling good. So here's my it that I'm going to apply from Oud Arabia and smell fantastic. I'm all set and it's time to go out. As per the weather forecast today, it's gonna rain the whole day and the rain is gonna be heavy towards the evening after 4 o'clock. So I decided to, take it easy. Sit at one place as it's raining now also and enjoy the weather. Enjoy the rain, enjoy the view, and just catch up with nature. So this is how the mall road is looking today. Everybody is carrying an umbrella as it's raining, and it's pretty good to walk in the rain, and I think I'm gonna miss it a lot. Walking in the rain, enjoying the weather, I have started feeling that I'm gonna miss it so much when I'm gonna reach home. I'm gonna miss this beautiful nature, beautiful view, everything so much. Look at the view, it's breathtaking. As you can see, I have reached my favorite cafe, a Lakeside Inn, as the weather is so beautiful, and I think to enjoy this kind of weather in the daytime, this is the best place to sit and enjoy nature. So I thought I will sit here today and just eat, have a cup of tea and enjoy and keep breathing this fantastic clean air. And yes, this is how I'm going to spend my day today. I'm gonna start my meal with a bowl of soup, as I think this is the perfect weather to have a soup. So I've ordered veg manchow soup. I'm gonna sit, enjoy my soup with amazing view. So as a meal, I wanted to try something different today. So I ordered this Mexican burrito. It looks pretty interesting and I cannot wait to try it, and I'm very hungry. So I cannot wait to try it. It looks absolutely delicious, and yes, it tastes really good. It's a very good option if you are really bored of eating Indian food. You can try this burrito. It's pretty nice. Honestly, I have never ever, I don't remember the last time when I enjoyed rain this much. Looking at the rain this much, it is really like a therapy. So I don't even regret that I'm going to sit here for some time and just keep looking at this beautiful scenery right now. Sometimes when you're at a very beautiful place and you enjoy that place so much that you already start missing that place. I'm getting that kind of feeling right now. I don't know why. I'm missing this place already. I am going to try this hibiscus tangy tea. It looks very beautiful and I'm sure it tastes really good. It looks very interesting and it sounds very interesting, so I had to try this. So as I've read a lot about hibiscus flower that it has really a lot of benefits for skin and health. So yes, I really wanted to try this tea. It tastes really nice and it's very different kind of tea. I really recommend if you are health conscious and you like trying such things, you should definitely try this tea. It's been a lot of time and it's time to take a stroll. So I decided to walk on the mall road for some time, enjoy the view a bit more closer. I really wanted to stand by the lake, closely by the lake. So I'm going to that spot and I'm gonna stare. The wind is getting colder and it has started to rain again, and I think this is a good time to walk back to the hotel and enjoy the rest of the view from my room. So I decided to head back and be safe there rather than getting wet in the rain. So yeah, taking the last view of this lake. Nothing can beat eating a challi, that is a butta, in this mausam, in this weather. So I decided to take 2 corns for myself as a evening snack, and I will enjoy these corn at my hotel, looking at the view from my room. Finally, I've reached my room and I can't wait to try this challi, and yes, it looks so tasty, and I'm going to order my food from the room service and stay cozy in my bed. This is it for today, and I'll be back with yet another day 4 vlog. Till then, you all stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you. Bye.